guys.
Today we're going to be doing a summary of all the phonics that we've learned.
All of them?
All of them.
Wow.
You ready to help me, Ned?
Yeah, I hope I can remember them all.
Okay, so we're going to start with apple. Ball. Cat. Dog. Elephant.
Wow.
Ooh. Frog. Gorilla. Hippopotamus. That's really long. Igloo. Juice. Kangaroo. Wow, that's one down. Ooh, lion. Monkey. Nellie and Ned. Octopus. Pirate. Question. Rabbit. Snake. Teddy bear. Umbrella. Violin. Waterfall. Xbox. Yeah. Yellow. Zebra.
Wow, that's all of them.
Wow, that's so bad, Ned. Well done, boys and girls. You have gone over all of the different ones.
That's amazing.
And hey, why don't you let us know which one's your favorite down below, and maybe you can tell us some other words that have that
Such a
sound
good
in it.
idea.
Yeah.
I'd love to know them all.
Yeah, and then we'll look at them. That would be great.
That'd be so cool.
Okay, boys and girls, well, we should go practice some more. What do you think?
Practice some again.
Okay, we'll see you next time. I'm Nellie.